got my laptop. Is the Oyster Pass, the one that gets you everywhere in London with the buses, the underground, and all the stuff. My chips, some socks. Damn, I wish I would have washed it. This is it. They already left. They left today at 4 a.m. I had a massive headache. But as of right now, everything's good. Got all the shit to take. So, also gotta watch this. Bought myself at the house. Anna, the lady that let me rent her apartment, I'm supposed to come in at 2, so I can't go anywhere until 2. I'm kind of stuck here. I might cook a little bit, and then that's it. And then I'll have to go over there. I haven't even put it on the GPS. I hope it's not far because I kind of was getting familiar with this area. So, yeah. So, I don't know how this happened, but I can barely move. My back is killing me. I'm supposed to take this thing across London. Plus my small bag and my other bag. Alright, this is it. This is the location I'm going to. Gotta get all the way over there. Far place. Hour and a half, almost 2 hours pretty much. My back really hurts. Why does it have to hurt right now? Why couldn't it hurt during or right after? Like, no, it had to hurt in the moment I was packing my things, and I can't even bend. I don't know how I'm gonna pick this up, but hey, I gotta try. Look, the police. That was an electric car, and I hear a motorcycle or something. So this one wasn't so bad. Now the problem is that my internet is not really working, and the shit doesn't stop moving. So the bike doesn't hurt any less. I just things to hold on to, not really holding on to anything. Right, so I'm right here about to lose the train because my SD and the GoPro keeps messing up thinking that it's full when it's not full. So I have to open the computer so then I can get the SD so I can empty it again, and empty already SD. I gotta empty it somehow, if that makes any sense. And that's my train leaving. Now, right after that, the GoPro wants to stay busy and it doesn't record anything, and I had to get it out and put it back on the SD. So now I hope it works. And everybody's been looking at me like I'm retarded. But whatever. Look at this. My phone keeps activating. The GPS doesn't work. Okay. So I just did about 112 steps. Almost done. Alright, so last one is the trying to look at it here. One walk. Okay. So I gotta walk that way. Alright. To take the bus 249. Oh my god. can't wait to be over. It's been about like, it's gonna be like 2 hours, 2 hours and a half by the time I'm done. We're having a full-on workout because it's heavy. I think I'm gonna be in the other side of the street, right over there. So I think I'm gonna cross right now. Should I? Should I not? I think I should. 2:49 on the way to the house. Now from here I just gotta walk. And that'll be. These things shake so much. There we go. Do that. Looks like a long one. It's a 2-minute walk, so right after here we'll be done. Awesome. Guys, 2 hours of trip. Now I gotta go up this hill and hopefully that'll be Anne's house. I will just show her my reservation and that will be it. I really don't want to keep going. I'll start tomorrow the London Pass, so wish me luck in that. I don't have any inconveniences. And by the way, the bus is only one day, so it's one day, you cannot repeat it, and you can choose between one company, which is the big bus, the one that we use in Paris, Big Bus London, is in here, or the other one is Oriental. But yeah, here we go again, flying around through Europe by myself. Woohoo! So here we are. This is the house. This is my room. Looks pretty nice and it's awesome. Well, I kind of fucked up with the Airbnb. I was trying to text her. I don't know how to do that. But cool the fact that I was able to just get out of the way. Talked to her, blah blah. She was talking to me a little bit about some stuff. I was talking to her a little bit about some stuff. Now I gotta unpack this and get my room ready. So look at this, guys. They gave me full-on instructions. Laundry, the cleaning, the internet, the hair strainers, DVDs because apparently I got a computer, the breakfast, bathroom, you know. Then they give me all the main things that I can do and how to get there, which is pretty nice. And then this one right here is cool. Not that one. Oh, by the way, I haven't even seen this one. I gotta read that one too. This one. 100 things all Londoners should do in their city before they die. So it's 100 options that you can go and see.
I bet eat fish and chips on there.
So how cool is this? Right? I can read them all and choose them.